Giving you my best and master my art. It's my word.
Kain ng kakain.
I be down with you guys. I be down with you guys forever, forever.
Follow Yunon Diaz. This kind of sample of the room. It's okay or not okay?
Subscribe.
Sino gusto nito guys? Baka naman pa-heart. Pa-share na rin po mga lods sa utang ngayon. Yunon Diaz yun ah. Guys, finish natin.